Welcome to Learn This, your go-to channel for fun and effective math strategies. Today, we're going to learn a super simple trick for multiplying numbers that end in zero. Let's dive in. Multiplying numbers that end in zero might seem tricky at first, but it's actually super simple once you know the trick. The key is to focus on the non-zero digits, multiplying them as if the zeros aren't even there, and then adding the zero back to the answer at the end. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with an easy example. 20 times 30. I promise it really is easy. First, ignore the zeros. Just multiply 2 times 3. That gives us 6. Now, since there were 2 zeros, one from each number, we simply add those zeros back to the end. So 20 times 30 equals 600. I told you it was an easy one. Now let's try 5 times 70. Again, ignore the zero and just multiply 5 times 7. 5 times 7 gives us 35. Now, this time there was only one zero in the original equation, so we add that back, and it gives us 350. Kind of fun, isn't it? How about 40 times 60? Same process. Multiply the non-zero digits first. 4 times 6, which gives us 24. Then add back the 2 zeros from the original numbers. That gives us 2,400. Easy, right? We'll do a few more examples together, and then I'll have you try a few on your own. What's 30 times 9? Start with 3 times 9, which equals 27. Then add back the 1 zero from 30, and you get 270. Great job! Let's take it up a notch with a 3-digit example. 100 times 40. Don't get intimidated by all the zeros. Focus on 1 times 4 first. That's 4. Now count the zeros. There are 3 in total. Add them back to the end, and the answer is 4,000. Okay, now I want you to practice a few on your own. I'll show you a problem and give you about 10 seconds to solve it before showing you the answer. If you need more time, just pause the video. Ready? Let's begin. How did you do? If you need more practice, just watch the video a couple more times. With practice, this will get easier. Remember, whenever you're multiplying numbers that end in zero, just ignore the zeros at first. Multiply the non-zero digits and then add the zeros back at the end. This strategy works every time and makes big numbers so much easier to handle. Try it with your friends or family and impress them with your multiplication superpowers. Thanks for learning with me on Learn This. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more helpful math strategies. See you next time.